Adoption is the measure of success. You can have a bright, shiny new thing, but if nobody's using it, all you have is just a bucket of money sitting somewhere that is just being wasted. Mayborn built a special space in the cloud tenant to help with adoption. Share more about what you did to kind of help with that.
We did. So when we first started moving people over to cloud, and we did this kind of sort of business unit by business unit and region by region, we did enablement sessions where we would sit down with a group of users in a room or on a remote session, and we'd take them through what cloud looked like. So we talk through all the new features. We'd show them how to create alerts, how to create subscriptions, and how to manage their hub. And we do that over about an hour and a half session. Now that's great. Everybody goes away excited, wanting to use all the new features, and then the day job comes back to life. So they don't necessarily get in to be able to use it on a frequent basis. So what we did was we created a suite of apps, suite of Qlik apps in a space that basically were static apps that showed how to, in bite-sized chunks, how to use the features in the platform. So we had an app that was all about navigating the hub. We had an app that was all about creating and managing your alerts or your subscriptions. I think there's a suite of about 9 or 10 apps in there now. That just means that when users want to kind of sort of do something they can't quite remember, then they can do a quick search in the hub, find the apps that they need, the guides that they need. They can follow 5 or 6 sheets, nice, clean narrative of what to do, some videos, some GIFs of kind of sort of showing them the actual movements of doing it, and then they're on the way. And we extended that more recently with actually creating a catalogue of all of our analytics apps in there as well. So if somebody now wants to look at electronic point of sale data, or they want to look at review data, there's an app there that they can search through, and it'll describe what space it's in, what the app is, who the owner of the app is, what the data is. So it just means that they've got a self-serve portal in there that actually helps guide them, not just use the apps, but find the apps as well.